Welcome to Twocommasent TV. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. No further ado, let's get straight to it.
He could go on SayCheese wherever. He just digging himself in a deeper hole. Tell SayCheese, ask him, why you ain't called Boosie? If he the CEO, why you ain't called Boosie? Tell SayCheese, ask him that. Why y'all forged this signature? If he the CEO, why y'all didn't call Boosie? Why you and Young Bleu ain't called Boosie? They ain't want me to have shit. If y'all gonna do a deal, why you had to forge his name? Why you had to forge his name? That's what they need to answer. Why you had to forge his name? Why you couldn't tell him about the deal?
Make sure you like and subscribe and tell me your thoughts in the comments.